break the spell here. They're down by 1. Ponce with the receive. Kneeling set to the quick. Blocked. Tight. Rondina adjusts. And Sisi scoring the point.
I feel like it's just a matter of a slow start for the Flying Titans.
Alba going back row. Sisi Rondina.
And when you need a point, of course, you go to the MVP and the team captain. Let's take a look at that again. Back row
Points in their last game. Laure receives. Combination play. Cheng was there. Rondina elevates and detonates.
And naman for Sisi Rondina, actually touching her face after that. The referee checked if she was okay.
Back set, Dindin had to adjust. What a pancake save by Gervina. A free ball for Chocomucho. Alba the set. Rondina soaring and scoring.
I mean, pa nga nag-iinit itong si Santiago Manabat. So, kailangan talaga meron silang mga pang-kontrapelo.
Nunag, quick attack. Naiangat ni EJ. Ponce will play setter. Sisi unloads. It's Sisi's time.
3-20.
And this is good serve.
Another sharp serve by Dindin. Joust. Mars to the pipe. Sisi Rondina out of bounds according to our linesman.
Well, I think it would be safe to call for a challenge ni EJ Laure. Talagang you always can count on it. Kahit mga awkward yung sets, ginagawa ng paraan. But this time, no awkwardness there. Dindin Santiago Manabat. And right now, we're seeing more contributions from her. Because earlier, it was just Laure, Permentilla, a couple of points from Ebon.
Combination play.
Rondina off the hand of Laure. 9-7.
And Sisi Rondina. It's becoming a showdown between players. And Nunag, in fact, is the second top scorer for Chocomucho next to Rondina.
Great digging here for Nexled in set number 2. That one from Bang. Here comes Dindin. She will try again. Pineda again was there. Molde to Alba. The toss to Sisi Rondina.
Over the block.
And just expect everyone to roar after a point from Sisi Rondina. Contenders, attackers in the UAAP scoring behind Alyssa Valdez overall.
Dindin from the left pin. Gervina as secondary setter. EJ looking to go cross. Sisi will try again. Try stopping that, says Sisi Rondina.
Si Sisi na ang nag-adjust, tumawid at nag-sorry. But, I mean, aral at pag-adjust talaga yung kailangan mo para iwasan yan. But it's a team thing going on right now. Talagang yung energy ng iset with this new starting roster for Coach Ettore.
It's a virtual race to 6 of speed. EJ saves. Almonte will give a free ball. Dina Wong will choose Nunag. Pancake save. Here comes Almonte from the back row. Dina Wong back set. Royce Tobino from the opposite side. And it's very much still in play. What a rally. Almonte, Ivy Perez, EJ Laure. Slowed down by the blockers. She will give it to Sisi. Almonte was there. EJ looking to put an end. Molde was there. Rondina one more time. Rondina will score the point.
Sa dami ng binuhay na bola ng Nexled. The Chocomucho Flying Titans got that point after mag-cutting itong kanilang mga attackers.
Some cushion here for Nexled. Alba, binalik kay Sisi. Intelligent, veteran move.
Well, for Sisi, kanina.
We are back here in set number 3 at Atienza.
Atienza turned back.
That was a good coverage by Bang Pineda. She got to the ball. It's just that impact on their team kasi nagiging maganda yung mga counter-attacks nila because of her defense.
Yung presence lang niya, Mela, na parang pati tayo kakalma eh. But Sisi Rondina saying, try hitting that.
Pinutol ang movie marathon nila sila Almonte.
This spike of the set is brought to you by Dunkin', pasalubong ng bayan.
Actually, parang sukat na sukat niya yung court. Parang rumaraket na slides judge itong si Almonte. No? Alam na alam niyang outside. Pero this time, Rondina.
Into the block.
Grabe yung elevation naman yan. Parang ano lang. Parang naging badminton net lang yung we're seeing it here now sa next lead Chameleons.
We're seeing Ebon back in the ball game. The toss to Isa Molde. Gervina not giving space. Ponce as well. Dina the set. Cici the hit. Breaking the block.
Doesn't matter if it's a
Streamline pool smashers, and on that, Cici tells me and shares with me her lifelong motto, which is everything happens for a reason. Now, with how fortunate she is to be carrying a win streak with her team today.
5 blocks as well against Flying Titans so far.
It's a block party here for Jai Atienza. An inspired game for her. A save that time. Ebon. Rondina from the left pin. Now to the back row for Almonte. The set for Cici.
Back in the hole.
The power
Rondina.
attacks don't...
Point lead for next lead. Dina, the bump set. Rondina adding a lot of power.
Gervina and Almonte overlap the top 10 of spiking, which is very ironic. I actually think ngayon ko lang nakita yon. So it goes to show how efficient the attackers are developing here in the All-Filipino Conference.
Cici.
Whoa, almost on a 20-point output. Just a point over the Flying Titans, of course, hoping to ride on the momentum that they have built against their win sa Galleries Tower.
Molde will receive. Ponce will set up. Cici. That one was denied. Isa pa para kay Cici. The setup. EJ to tie. Molde says, I'm here. Don't worry. Rondina naman. And we are going to a set number 5.
The Flying Titans.
It couldn't get any better than this. EJ Laure. But Choco Mucho nakauna here in the 5th.
EJ gustong bumawi. Pia General popping it up. Cici with some power. Straight to the seats. You do not want to know the velocity of that thing.
I mean, the thing about Cici, hindi na mamili ng set eh. Kasi if it was any other attacker, makikita mo yung galing dyan, ganyang kalikot.
Full front line here for Perez. Dina. They give it to who else? Who else to give it to? We arrive at match point.
First combination play on Cici Rondina. Look at that. Going to zone 3.